Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And right here we've got the list of kind of highlighted languages, so let's start with adding a new one. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe Greek one. Just tap on it, choose the region, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Now let's you can probably see that still the English is still a main one, so we have to reorder the languages to actually change them. So let me tap on the language, hold it, and now drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. And we've got English. So we can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.